So all I've been hearing about lately is how great bidets are. So I'm trying out this ATS 500 from Lotus, and it's got a remote control. Let's check it out. So it has all the instructions, and it's got some different hoses and things to connect it up to the water. It's got a 3-prong outlet on the other side to hook it up to power. And then this model, I guess this is the 500R, has the remote controls here. You've got stop, wash, different other options. You can heat, and there's a dryer. And it's nice looking. You open it up, and it looks just like a standard toilet seat. And then all the business is down there. This can open up like a standard toilet seat, and all the businesses down there. It looks like this thing can tell that you're sitting on it, and it's got some information up here in the lid so that people know what's going on with it. Otherwise, it's nice and easy to clean. Looks not much bigger than a standard toilet seat, and all your controls and everything are right here on the side. Easy to use. Hope this helps.